Dear students, today let us solve question number 1 of exercise 7.1 of the lesson assignment problem and sequencing. Question number 1 is a job production unit has 4 jobs A, B, C, D which can be manufactured on each of the 4 machines P, Q, R and S. The processing cost of each job for each machine is given in the following table. Find the optimal assignment to minimize the total processing cost. The table is given as the cost matrix. Jobs are written P, Q, R, S and machines 1, 2, 3, 4 and the corresponding cost, that is if the machine 1 is doing job P, then the cost is 31. Similarly, machine 2 is doing P, then the cost is 25. Like that the table is given. This question is a simple case of assignment problem. Let us solve this. First we will write the given cost matrix, and then first step, you have to learn the steps thoroughly. First step is subtracting the smallest element of each row from every element of that row. So we consider the first row, that is first row is 31, 25, 33, 29. Here the minimum element is, smallest element is 25. So we have to subtract 25 from each element of this first row. So we will get 31 minus 25 is 6 and 25 minus 25 0, 33 minus 25 8 and 29 minus 25 is 4. Similarly, we will find the smallest element of the second row, that is 21, and we subtract this 21 from each element of second row and we get the elements corresponding to that 4, 3, 2, 0. And third row minimum element is 19 and we subtract 19 from each element of the third row, we get the element 0, 2, 4, 5 and last row we get 4, 2, 0, 6. Here the last row minimum element is 34. So we subtract 34 from each element and we get this last row. Step 2 is to subtract the smallest element of each column from every element of that column of the matrix obtained in step 1. And here we have the matrix obtained in step 1 is this one, and observe that the minimum element of each column is 0. So there is no change in the matrix after subtracting the smallest element from each element, because 0 is the smallest element. So we'll get the same matrix only after subtracting the 0 from each element of the column, each column. Now we go to the step 3. Select a row with exactly 1 0 and enclose that 0 in a box. We call this process as making assignment, and cross out all the zeros in respective column. That is, we observe each row of the previous matrix in step 2. That is the first row we observed, and whether there is a single 0 in each row, then we enclose that 0 in a box. At the same time, we have to cross out any more 0 if there in the respective column. We have to cross out those zeros. Extra zeros there is in the column containing this assignment. Assignment means boxed zeros. So there is no more 0. You can observe that there is no more zeros in this column of the first assignment. Now we go to the second row. That is, we put this box 0 in the box. Now we got the second row. Second row also has the has a single 0, exactly 1 0. So we put that 0 or enclose that 0 also in a box. And we can see that there is no more zeros in the column. Third row has exactly 1 0. So again enclose that in the box. That is, we made the assignment and there is no more 0 in the column. Last row has exactly 1 0. Enclose that in a box. There is no more 0 to cross out. So After completing this assignment in rows, we have to do the same process in each column, and we observe that there is no more zeros. Without this assignment, there is no more zero. So we have the new matrix obtained will be. So in the matrix obtained in step 3, there is exactly one assignment in each row and in each column. Hence we say this is the optimal solution obtained, and the optimal assignment will be that is exactly 1 0 in each row as well as in each column. There is no row or column without an assignment or exactly 1 0. So the assignment will be done this way. Machine 1 will do job R corresponding to the 0 we have the made the assignment. So machine 1 will do job R and machine 2 will do job P. Machine 2 job P, machine 3 job S, machine 4 job Q. This way we made the assignment. This will be the optimum assignment. So the minimum processing cost. To find the minimum processing cost, we have to consider the given matrix in the question. That is corresponding to this assignment, we will find the cost. Machine 1 doing the job R. So the corresponding cost is 19. 19 plus. Second machine is doing the job P, so the cost is 25. So plus 25 plus machine 3 is doing job S, so the cost is 34, and machine 4 is doing the job Q, so the corresponding cost is 21. So we add these cost of processing. So we get rupees 99 as the minimum processing cost if we assign the jobs to these machines. Now we solve the remaining sums in the next video. Thank you.